Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've only gone and got myself another little practice hand. Couldn't help myself. So this is from AliExpress. I bought a hand from AliExpress a good few months ago now, and I have been so happy with it. Like, for the price that I paid for my hand. I'll show you the hand I got to start with. This is the hand. I'm sure you have all seen it in my videos. It's posable. It's got wires in it. You can bend it. And I absolutely love this hand. I do. I do still use my flexi hand. I use this hand for mostly gel polish designs because it's quite dainty. It's quite small. It's actually the exact same size as my hand. It's like it's been moulded on my hand. It's exactly the same size. It takes exactly the same size tips that mine do. So I absolutely love it. Yeah, I use this for gel polish designs because it's quite small and dainty. And I use my flexi hand because the fingers are bigger and they've got bigger nail beds. I use my fingers, my flexi fingers, for when I'm doing polygel design and stuff. So this is the hand I got a few months ago. I absolutely love it. I can't fault it. But I don't use the thumb. I never use the thumb. One, because I can never get it in camera shot. If you look there, the thumb, it's just never in camera shot. I can't get it in my pictures. There's just no way. So I never ever use the thumb. It just gets in the way. I end up bending it out and I'm going to end up snapping it. So anyway, that's the reason I bought myself another, because I do not use the thumb. Oh, sugar. So this one that I've got, so it comes with these extra long nail tips like they all do. This one that I got is exactly the same, except it's not got a thumb. It's just one of the 4-finger ones. So that's the bag that they come in, this little protective bag. So this is it. It's exactly the same, except it's not got the thumb. Perfect for me, because that is all you see when I'm recording and taking pictures. That is all you see. One thing I will say, the wires in this one are a lot stronger, which I prefer. The wires in this is brilliant. Solid wires. I love it. So yeah, it's exactly the same. I absolutely love it. I've heard people buying these hands and moaning, oh, they're not got a right lot of detail on them. They look like bread dough. Like, what do you expect for the price? I don't know what people expect for the price. I think they're bloody brilliant little hands. We haven't all got 150 bloody pounds to be going spending on, you know, some of these other brands. For the money, I don't understand how people can moan. Shall we just switch my little tips over, because they are exactly the same size. Yeah, I love these little hands. For the price, I think they're absolutely brilliant. I can't remember how much this 4-finger one is. I'll stick it up on the screen, but for what you're getting, it's not a lot of money, guys. Some of these companies, what they're charging is ridiculous. Like, I absolutely love my little hand. I do. I love it. This is perfect. So let me stick these back in my other one. Like, even the thickness, I showed this in the video of my last hand. They've got the thickness. Look how thick that is. That's a good, I can't remember what it is, but I don't know, maybe. Well, you can see there, the thickness of that cuticle is brilliant. I just can't moan. They're quite neat and tidy. Yeah, you really can't. The nail beds are nice and short. They're just natural size. Well, they are to my hand anyway. Nothing looks abnormal about it. It just looks nice, don't it? I'm just going to show you a couple of things you can do with it. Now, obviously, it's a practice hand, so you want to practice. So, if you wanted to glue tips on, these are the tips that I use. Sometimes I use other short square ones, but as I've got so many of these tips, these are just your average standard little ballerina tips. And what I do is I put them in backwards, Like, I don't even know if this is the right size, actually. I just put it in backwards, and then that is your natural nail. So you can glue tips on that, or you can attach a paper foam to it. Let me show you how far they go in, actually. Right, let me push it right in. So that's as far in as it goes. I'm just going to hold my thumb. So that's how far it goes in. You know, so it's a decent amount. I hear people moaning, and like I just think you can't really moan. I can't. But everyone's got entitled to their own opinion, aren't they? But my opinion, I can't fault it. I've had that one a few months now, and look, I've not ripped it, I've not tore it, and trust me, I've filed it, I've buffed it, I've ragged it around. It's in really good condition. I love the shape of it. Like I said, it's really petite and dainty, like a woman's hand should be. But these are the exact same tips that my hand takes. It's like it's been moulded just for me. But yeah, I really, really like it. I'll leave the link below. This is from the T-Girl store, I think. I will leave the link below, because I know the last video I did on this, so many of yous went out and bought it, and the feedback I've had, yous have all loved it. There's been a couple that have moaned. If you don't like it, then go out and buy one of the red iguanas, or, you know, everyone's entitled to their own opinion. But my opinion is, I like it. I do. I love my little hand. I can't fault it. Yeah. And believe me, they will keep tweaking these hands. I said it in my last video. They'll keep tweaking them and tweaking them till they've got the best out there. That's what they're like on AliExpress, aren't they? But yeah, I love it. I love my little hand. All I need now is the fingers. So I've got a full hand, half a hand, and now I just need the separate fingers, and then I've got a full set. But yeah, I will leave the link below, guys, to where you can get it. Please be careful on AliExpress. There's hundreds of adverts selling these hands now. Yeah, just be careful, because the first hands that these companies originally did weren't really good, and you don't want to end up with one of them. If you're unsure about what you're ordering, message me, I will help you out. So just be careful and make sure you're getting the one that's in the pictures. But I'll leave the link to this particular hand in my description box. I'll leave the link to this one as well, actually, the full hand, in case you want the thumb. I'll leave the link to both of these. These are both off the same seller. And can I say as well, the seller's so polite, so helpful, which surprised me for AliExpress as well. They've been really helpful. But anyway, guys, that's it. Just a quick video to show you my new... Do you know something, guys? They haven't got hands. They haven't got hands. They haven't got names. My flexi hand in my drawer here as well. None of them have got names. So I might do a little giveaway or something, eh? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Should I do a little name my hands giveaway? I think they need names, don't they? That's so shady. Me not even giving them names. But yeah, I'm happy with them anyway. So I am going. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well, so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.